walking right by me like it's nothing. Fuck you thinking. I saw you feeling me across the room. Now let me have you come here. Can we skip the games and the 3-day text? Oh baby, you have got nothing to fear. Do you fuck with me or am I losing it? Trying to make things clear. Let me take you to my place. Just leave the talking to me and open up, you'll see that I wanna take you back to my place. Just take a walk with me so everyone can see us. What if I told you that I knew I'd figure it out without a doubt? I'd say, so get those eyes on me from across the room. Oh, let me have you come here. Can we skip the games and the 3-day text? Oh baby, you have got nothing to fear. Fuck with me or am I losing it? Trying to make things clear. Neutron! Is she for real? I'm looking at you, walking right by me like it's nothing. Fuck you thinking. Let me take you to my place. Just leave the talking to me and open up, you'll see that I wanna take you back to my place. Just take a walk with me so everyone can see us. Let me take trouble finding my past in places I've known to call home. And even if I could recover, I still wouldn't have a reason to stay here. No, I would keep running from who I am now, desperately looking for someone to heal me. Please make yourself appear from the mist. I know I can see you now, I can't refuse. Please make your way out of the dark now. Make me believe that I still have reason to stay here. I'm lost without you. I'll move every mountain here for you. Let it go, just let it go. I want us to go where we last held on. I'll fall without you, right to the ground beneath the grass I'll lay. My bones will shed the tears I left, leaving the memory we once shared. I'll be the one who says sorry for the life I gave you then. I'll come out the dark now. Make me believe that I still have a reason to stay. Family, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. What is up, everybody? Let me get those A's in the chat right away, team. Throw those A's in the chat if you can hear my voice speak to you right now, team. What is up, everybody? And are you ready for a fucking crypto breakout, man? I think it's gonna happen, guys, and I think there's a massive week ahead of us, and one that not a lot of people could have told was gonna happen, guys. This is absolutely insane. Oh my goodness, man. Guys, okay, number one, let me say hi to the people in here. K-Spec, what is up, dude? Daniel, what's up, Chachi? CoinFox, dude. The immersive experience. Are you watching me on the AR glasses? You are watching me on the AR glasses, man. That's so sick, bro. I cannot wait to get a pair of my own, man. This is absolutely cool, bro. I love it. See, I got these regular glasses on, man. These are regular glasses, though, right? I'm not moving anything like this or nothing, all right? I gotta use this big-ass mouse right here, and then we'll be chilling, right? But everything good to go. War G, what is up, my dude? Nelly, what is up? What is up? Yeah, we got Doge. We got Doge. We gotta check it out. We gotta see what's up with it, right? Yeah, guys, and I absolutely heard from somebody that it's Link that's been performing like freaking crazy too. How true is that, guys? Please let me know if it is Link that's making some crazy moves for us up in here, man. Is it actually, or is it not, man? But whatever it is, we're gonna figure it out. What is up, Philip? I'm moving the Candle Mountains, man. You like the lyrics? I love it, man. Good to see you. What is up, Kenny Cole? Good to see you there too. And yeah, guys, I'm really excited to be streaming for you here tonight. It is not typical for me to stream live on a Friday night, right? I'm actually in Los Angeles, California myself, guys. So welcome back, everybody, and welcome if you are new. Make sure to hit that like button. Do everything necessary to get this thing to pop off, man. For real. Help me out right here, right, team? But let's go ahead and get started with the big boy, right? With the big boss himself, right? We're gonna get started here with BTC.
BTC, guys. Why BTC though, man? Oh, why Arca? Oh man. Why do you got to start with BTC, bro? Guys, we got to do it. We got to do it. We got to start off with BTC because BTC is, just think of it, you know, if you guys are used to like equities, right? If you're used to the normal stock world, well, you know, you tend to follow the Q, right? You follow the NASDAQ or you follow the S&P 500. Well, those are, or the Dow, right? Those are your indices, right? Think of Bitcoin here as your major index for cryptocurrencies, right, guys? Of course, there are always different catalysts that can run and cause a huge, you know, squeeze on a different little tiny asset or whatever. Of course, it happens, guys. But generally speaking, guys, BTC is kind of the leader in that entire realm, guys. So let's go ahead and actually, I would like to present to you first, because I did release this in my XRP video that I just released in like 20-30 minutes ago, which by the way is getting so many likes and so many views right now. And thank you so much for everybody that's been watching that thus far. I am absolutely loving it. Let's see, Cypress, Texas, homie. Very nice, Nelly, man. Bro, yeah, why don't we go ahead? You know what? I don't have that many viewers just yet. We still have the room filling up. But why don't you go ahead and tell me, guys, what city you're coming in from right now? You guys will be surprised that sometimes when we're streaming inside of the private Discord for trading, we get cities coming in from all kinds of the world, right? But yeah, you know what? Why don't we just go start it right now? Let's start it right now. The room is still getting full, right? No big deal. So let's find out where you are from, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at Jared coming in from Cincinnati, right? And of course, you already know Nelly Nesto coming in from Cypress, Texas, my bro. That is absolutely Louisville. Let's go. T-Maker, let's do it, man. Jacksonville, let's do it, man. Bless it. All good. Guys, this is cool. You know, we have a variety up in here already. Toronto, Canada, man. The nippy north is what they say. Super cold out there right now. DC coming in with Drew. Nice. Bakersfield. Alex, you are not too far from me, man. You are not far from me whatsoever. CoinFox coming in from Chicago. Philip coming in from Sweden. Bro, what time is it in Sweden right now? Kenny Co coming in from San Fran. Let's go, man. Let's go, my bro. Very good stuff. So yeah, look, we have a variety of people coming in, right? As we fill this in, you'll see. Okay, Philip saying 06. Let's go, man. Let's go. Okay. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Take a look at this right here, guys. This is something that may actually help the crypto space to completely just rally. Okay, guys. MicroStrategies, which is you guys know, right? The co-founder Michael Saylor. He's super famous. He always speaks in public, right? This is MicroStrategy, ticker symbol MSTR. They have been added, guys, promoted to the NASDAQ 100, guys. They were already, they were already kind of getting a little too, MSTR had a big ass. It had a big butt sitting in the Russell, right, man? That thing had a 17% weight of the Russell. It is time that you get that thing out of there. You know what I mean? So now the MSTR has officially been added as of today, guys. Post-market announcement, right? It has been added to the NASDAQ 100. So very good stuff with that. And next thing that we want to know here, guys, is that there is institutional ownership continuing, right, guys? There is still more and more of cryptocurrencies being purchased through the big money, through the whale money, right? So this is a good thing. So here on this post that you're noticing here, this is breaking. Riot Platforms buys $510 million of Bitcoin, guys. This is per Reuters. But guys, yeah, this is what I mean, guys. It's just there's a continuous amount of purchasing. Remember, just about 2 weeks ago, we got about a $1 billion purchase of Bitcoin from Mara, right? From the Bitcoin miner MARA ticker symbol. So that's yet another thing. Nelly Nesto, my bro, that really means a lot, dude. Thank you so much for that, dude. If there's anything I can do for you, just you let me know. Okay. Well, number one, actually, I'm gonna, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna do this here for you, buddy. And I'm gonna also pay it forward to 2 other people. Okay, dude. So you'll know what I mean right now. Okay, dude. So I will show you what that is. Hold up. I got the link right here, dude. And I'm gonna give you this. I want you to click on it, and I want you to also be a part of this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna randomly choose 2 other people other than just you. Okay, my dude. So what I'm speaking of is this. Make sure, Nelly, make sure to hit this link right here, dude, and let me know who you are on YouTube when you get to the Discord. And I'm gonna give you access right here, man. For the I'm gonna give you access for 2 months to the private trading team. All right, man. And I'm also going to pay that forward, and I'm going to add another 2 people in respects to what you just did for me, dude. And we're going to allow them a free month each, right? So because that's what it really costs, man. It's like $9.99 a month to trade with me live, and which is what, like 25-30 cents a day or something. Pay your toll at the fucking bus, right? So yeah, something like that, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and just expect you there, okay? But I'm not managing the Discord right now. We're doing the live, but just be patient with me, okay, team? And guys, by the way, down in the comments, you're gonna notice that some people are starting to kind of be imposters and stuff. They're saying for you to send your crypto to somewhere, or I don't know what the hell, and then or can you hold my crypto with my seed phrase? I don't know what's going on, guys. Do not do that, guys. Do not pass your hard-earned money and your hard-earned crypto, right, to anyone and to anybody's wallet. That's not cool, you guys. That's not good, okay? And I will also let you know, guys, that if somebody appears down there with giving a, you know, that appears like me, and it's like giving you a phone number away, that's not me, okay? I will never reach out to you first, guys. I will never send a message out to you first. Just know that, okay, team? It's kind of bizarre here that we're already growing to these numbers in the first place, right? So I have to make sure to mention these things. Make sure not to react or respond to anybody that reaches up to you first, making them appear as though they're Arca. Okay, guys, I am the only one here, and I will never reach out to you first. Know that I will reply to you, but never reach out to you first. Okay, so my brother, yeah, Nelly, that's such a cool thing of you, brother. Thank you so much, and we will definitely choose here. Remember, guys, we're gonna stay active here, right? We're gonna choose 2 members to randomly be selected to win a free month inside of the private trading team with me and the other team. Good stuff, guys. So no one is giving you free coins. No one is gonna give the free coins. That's right, man. We try to keep the positive vibes in here, man. You know what? If you guys have some drama, right? Let's go ahead and keep that out of the door, right? Out of the door, guys. So let's go ahead and get started here with the Bitcoin asset, guys. Let's find out what it has here for us, right? So this is, let's go ahead and just move this along all the way over here. I think we had maybe one more to talk to you guys about, right? Well, I guess it's worth mentioning. So this is what I was talking about earlier, right, guys? Check this out. Just in 47% of hedge funds now invest in digital assets like Bitcoin and crypto. So this is up 21% from 2021. That is pretty cool to know, okay, guys? So I'm trying to give you here some of the sentiment that's actually happening, you know, before our very eyes, right? Things are absolutely moving here for the crypto space, and we haven't even reached the all-time highs yet inside of the Google mentions or the Google trends. It's almost there. So I honestly think, guys, that as soon as Bitcoin starts breaking above this 100,000 and maintaining above 100,000, reaching the 110, 114, 115 area that we were speaking of back in August, right? I do believe that in that case, then we're going to start getting a bigger trend. For now, though, XRP has been the one to really lead kind of that Google trend as we speak. Man, that's interesting, right? We also had Scottie Pippen talk about it. I mean, Scottie Pippen stays talking about the crypto space anyway, man. But whatever the case, it is what it is, and we are doing our little dance right here, guys. So let's go ahead and move on right now to BTC and find out what's going on, guys. So remember, we got a new daily print here. So this is your new daily candle, right? So remember that it takes a day for this candle to kind of complete, right? Every single candle that you're noticing here are, a day long. Okay, so typically speaking, guys, around let's just say 60 to 70% of the time, you'll get a 30 to 50% prior bar retrace, right? Me and CoinFox kind of coined that together there, and putting, that would put the asset down to roughly around $100,000. I said, yeah, 100,600, right around there. Okay, guys, and we can kind of pair that here with historical price. So see, there is a daily candle here to kind of support that, right? So naturally speaking, we would have to take into consideration the the opening of the day from the prior day. So right up in here, which is confluent to the prior day's close, which is right there, which is confluent to this day's open and this day's close and this day's open, all that stuff, guys. So we have to kind of pair it to that area there, right? So this is how we're going to create a zone for support, just in case price action dips down first, right, and then continues, it's always a good thing for us to kind of like dip down in the earlier part, right? We're gonna just grab the bulls, right, get a little more activity going on, and then some further buy side interest towards that upside, right, guys? So let's mark it off right down here, and then we will mathematically back it, right, guys? You know, for those of you who are already viewers of the Arca Bulls trading team, you guys know how I am. I'm very much data driven, right? I do things based on mathematics, and usually that's just the way I appear to do things, right? I stay away from a lot of catalysts fundamentally because I do believe that statistics have a serious edge here for not only trading but also for the longer term, right, guys? So, okay, so we have that initial area here. We're going to start off with this just real quick, right? And this is going to give us the overall direction for all the smaller cap, for all the smaller caps as well, including Link, including XRP and other stuff like that, even Doge, guys, because remember, Dogecoin is completely tied. We are talking about, in the 90 percentile of correlation, right, between Bitcoin and Dogecoin. It's just massively tight. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and put the receipts on these targets here just in case we do reach down into those, and we're going to validate this downside here, team. So anywhere between the space of 99,900 and about 100,600. So now let's go ahead and take a look at volatility versus momentum. What I want you to do, team, I want you to do this, okay? Notice this indicator at the very top hand side. It has that heat map in the background, right? So what you're observing here is volatility and linear. Okay, so this would be the dispersion of returns. Don't let those words kind of boggle your mind or anything. It's nothing like that. What I'm trying to tell you here is that if this is in this blue zone here, right, in the contraction zone below that neon green here, that means that there's very little activity happening presently or within that time frame and within this phase, right? Remember, every candle here is a day long, so this would be very little activity, right? So as soon as we start getting breaks, right, if we start getting expansion towards that upside, it doesn't necessarily mean expansion towards an upside bias. It means that there are just more people buying and shorting, right? Buying and selling. So now what gives us the bias would be stochastic momentum. So pair this like this. Volatility would be your gas pedal in your car, right? You're going to hit the gas on your car, right? And you're going to go faster and faster and faster. We know we love that shit, bro. All right. So then after that, we're going to have the steering wheel, right? So just imagine that your stochastic momentum is like that steering wheel. In this case, we're pivoted upward, right? We have that left cranked, man. So we're going straight to the upside here. Potential breakout on that expansion phase, guys. This is looking okay for BTC. That indicates that there is a potential breakout soon. Okay. So what do we do here? How are we able to determine the continuation, right? What we do is we actually go back to the more immediate short term and see how that's going to do, guys. So now, one thing, guys, I understand just one thing that a lot of people say, whoa, Arca, you don't know nothing, you don't know shit, brother, because this indicator here, the fucking institutions and the hedge funds and the motherfuckers, they all manipulate the thing. But guys, I actually wrote this indicator, okay? So I literally scripted it. I wrote the fucking syntax was done here by me, man. So inspired by the caretaker from Eric Crown, right? So yes, this is volatility dispersed in or presented to you as a dispersion of returns in linear. Okay, guys, this is a better way for us to be able to manage and measure phases, iterations, right? So this is a good way to do it. Okay, so team, know that I wrote it and we're good to go. All right, nobody manipulating the shit out of this. Anyway, so yeah, why don't we go ahead and take a look at the earlier time frames to see how we're kind of cascading into the daily, right? Because the daily is indicating this potential breakout. We want to know if it actually has that validity, right? We're going to use the domino effect. We want time to cascade into another, right? If we have an initial huge wave, we want to make sure that that wave gets pushed again, right? From the earlier time frame, it creates another wave, and again from the earlier time frame until it gets to that daily time frame where we're going to be able to see, okay, well, all of these pushes and all these waves from the earlier time frames are likely leading towards this upside, right, guys? So that's what we're going to do here, and it actually doesn't take long. I just wanted to make sure to explain it to you before we do that, okay? So 30-minute time frame. Let's look really granular here. We're already identifying that. Remember, we're looking at a price target of around 100,600 to 99,900, and look at what's happening on the 30-minute, right? We have a downside bias already. 15-minute time frame looks like it still has a downside bias, and the 10-minute time frame, I expect correction. Okay, now if we have an upside here, right? If we're talking about a temporary upside, which means 5-minute time frame upside, but notice contraction, that means that there's no strength to that upside, right? What about the 10-minute? All right, 10-minute time frame has an upside bias, and it does have a little bit of strength to the market. Good. What about the 15? The 15 has somewhat strength, and it's still kind of maybe curving there. So let's just say that we would have around 15 minutes of upside here. So 15 minutes of upside would put you at an ATR of about $283 from the opening of that 15-minute bar, right? So this opening here would be at around 100,688, right? So that would take you to a top of about 101,900, right? So if that's 101,900, we are looking at probably that EMA 20 on the 15-minute, right? That's 101,800. That's already giving us resistance, aka these pivot points right here, right? So that's what we do, guys. We make sure to match the mathematics against the moving averages and against the technicals and the historical price, right? So we're looking at a very likely resistance in this area here for the immediate short term. This is currently breaking below this area here, so this means that we're validating resistances so we can come back down for the immediate short term. Remember, 15 minutes worth. So where is the upside though? Where can we locate it? Or the further downside, sorry, where can we locate that? So it looks like the 30-minute has the downside, right? We also have the hourly time frame facing downward. Bi-hourly time frame getting a little bit of strength with downside here, right? And the 3-hour time frame getting a little bit of downside with strength. Okay, I'm gonna wait up. I'll give you the targets, right? Here's this, right? We're crossing above that moving average. That's volatility. That's volatility for sure. And we're getting right here a little bit of curvature. Okay, so now we're getting close to seeing where it is. So this is the first curvature towards the upside. 4 to 6 hours is what we're getting here of downside. Look at the 6-hour ATR. What is it? $1,936 from the opening of this bar would be the downside target on this. So if we're looking at this 6-hour bar from here opening at 101,400 minus the ATR, where are we? So that would put us at about $99,500, right? So we're already identifying a 99,994. So that's very, very curious that we are getting around those targets. I would say that the ATR, the average true range, is giving us the overall downside, but we need to see what price action is going to do to avoid that, to prevent that from happening. Remember, if there's one thing you're going to remember here in trading, is that price action is king. Okay, guys, not your indicators, not an algorithm that Arca wrote or someone else wrote. No, it is price action. Okay, you guys, learn how to read the price. This is literally why I'm telling you all the time, make sure to get into the ArcMasters course. This is going to be starting in 2 weeks for the beginners, right? Charting and trading. Okay, you guys, absolutely from the beginning. And then strategies happens after that. Make sure to get in touch with me here. Okay, you guys, I'm going to stop the shilling immediately because we need to get to these charts fucking fast. Okay, so ArcMastersCourse@gmail.com. Get in touch with me because these seats are getting taken, guys, and we're going to be starting here pretty soon. We have to stop the enrollment process pretty soon, okay? Let's get that going, team. So just send me an email, ask me for the syllabus and disclaimer. We'll go ahead and forward it to you, okay? So good stuff here, team. It looks like, yeah, we could be getting ourselves a little bit of a drawdown here over the next, I would say, what time is it right now, man? Before the Asian markets actually start trading this and creating volatility, 9 p.m. Pacific, 10, 11, 12, 1. Yeah, I would say probably literally about 4 to maybe 6 hours, maybe 8 hours total of some decompression here and continuation towards the upside. Now, if I am talking about a $100,000 mark, and I spoke to you at the beginning about the 60 to 70% chances of getting a prior, prior bar pullback, well, let's look at that daily time frame and see what other things closed, right? So, okay, let's measure the 50% of this prior day because we just started this new one here. We're looking for confluence as traders, okay, you guys? So we're just going to go ahead and do this here, and then bam, we have this right there. 50% is leading towards our $100,000 mark, and we're identifying this bottom side of 99,000 because of all that confluence between all of these bars, right? So that is why we're identifying this target here, which also is confluent to the 6-hour time frame Fibonacci retracement targets, right, guys? Fucking make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Do everything necessary to get this Arca Bulls team to really pop off, guys. We're doing very good. We're doing very good and very good and very good. Okay, team. So I will say that as soon as Bitcoin can actually break itself above this 102,659, right, we're very likely going to start testing that all-time high of about 104, $104,000, team. As soon as we can get I would say maybe a 4 to 8 hour ideal closure, right, clean close above this this all-time high, I do think that there's enough thrust and enough interest here to really launch Bitcoin into the 110 to maybe $111,000 mark, highs of around 114. Okay, guys, so just expect a potential top side right there conditionally, right? It doesn't really have to be like there's a whole bunch of things that just need to, you know, happen here, but it's leading towards it. And how can we kind of tell that, right? Well, we can tell because the daily time frame, we said it's already at its breakout point, right? 12-hour time frame is breaking out here. Volatility expansion, upside in a gravitational zone, looking good, right? All these things are indicating potential curvatures and upside continuation in the larger time frames, which is where we want to be, right? Look at the daily time frame, getting this curvature in the gravitational zone of stochastic momentum, getting this, look at this, the volatility starting to kind of pivot here, right? All that is what we're looking for, guys. We're looking for the continuation to the upside and resetting of the upside for the larger time frames. We're doing that wave, right, from the immediate short term to the later term. So now let's go ahead and take a look at XRP, the fucking massive beast in here, team. We are observing here a very, very huge time frame. I get it, but the huge time frame is pertinent because we need to understand how this thing has been moving over its time, right? So a lot of you don't even a lot of you don't even know just yet because, you know, you're brand new to the channel or whatever else, but XRP is performing a really interesting set of fractals, and I hate saying that shit because I don't practice fractal analysis, guys. I practice probabilities here, okay? Statistics are usually the way to go with you know, with trading and shit. So, or I mean, institutionally speaking, that's just the way I was trained, but whatever, shit. So in this case, team, we are not, let's see, CoinFox is saying, I see lots of alts failed to take out the previous day's highs too. You know what? I do think so, and I honestly think that we're gonna need Ethereum to really make its move here. But it's just like there's this like huge hate on Ethereum right now because, you know, they liquidated some BTC, but that would get some interest into the altcoins, right? So as soon as we can get Bitcoin to kind of just consolidate, and it has been kind of consolidating, right? But as soon as it can consolidate well enough into a new high, I think that's when the altcoin season is going to start, and we're very close to it. I do believe that altcoins are going to start making their move here fairly soon, and some of these larger assets, I mean, larger in a sense that they're still small, I get it, but just larger than the ones that are just in the fucking dumpster down there, you know what I mean? These are probably going to be like close to your mid caps that are going to start making that move alongside the Bitcoin move as well. So yeah, I completely agree. BTC has the 6-hour trend resistance for now, like you said, and need a clean close and yeah, I do believe that if we can close out that 4 or 8 hour basis, that could be like a symptom for a continuation towards that upside, and it would put the bulls in a pretty good place. You know, also the Coinbase buy that you were talking about just yesterday, that also, you know, fucking led towards that upside. I saw the price action on Coin spike at one point, and you know, MSTR being added to the Nasdaq 100 for Bitcoin, a whole bunch of shit just happening right now, man. And then the official exiting of Chair Gensler, right? So the SEC chair, that also is going to lead towards some type of movement towards that upside. Inauguration, all kinds of shit just happening right now, man. So I think there are some interesting days for crypto coming in. Now speaking on these fractals, right, guys, there has been, I mean, there's a video that I put out that I want you guys to observe, and I'm going to put out part number 2 for it here pretty soon. But I need you guys to watch that because it's just the amount of confluence that I found in here, guys, was just fucking ridiculous. I mean, it's like it's playing a mirror image of everything that it's talking about, right? So this, for example, this, right, this wave 3 and this wave 3, this bottom side to this bottom side, it just happens to measure an 800% pump together. Now, very, very curiously enough, you have this wave 1, 2, and 3, and you have this 1, 2, and 3 just like it, right? The distance from this point at wave 1 to this breakout here is literally exactly the distance from here to here. And the way you can tell is just by measuring it. So you can, you know, kind of do this right here. That's around 43 bars, right? And measure it from the top side over here, right? So literally like this right here. And you see it right there, 43 fucking bars. And we broke out on this candle. It's, guys, you don't understand the amount of shit that's happening, that's repeating on XRP. This is the reason. Guys, months ago, I put out a video saying, 105 target spotted, right? And I'm talking like in August or something for XRP. It was 40 fucking cents, right? And everybody was like, what? It's gonna even break above 50 cents and all this hate talking, man, and all. I'm like, dude, it doesn't matter. Like, it's just the statistics are playing this. I just did a massive back test on, it doesn't matter, right? So I worked on the back test. It was a systems-based opinion. It was not my personal thing. It was not because this is a layer whatever coin and this thing has utility and it fucking is gonna do whatever into the ecosystem of none of that. No. What I did was just practice behavioral anomalies, right, guys? And I made sure to run statistics on a system, and this is what created me to like say that this is about to pop off. It was a 105 target with a 140 potential, and then maybe even continuation into the 2s and 3s. Those are my minimal targets. Those are my small targets, guys. I have fucking targets leading up to 10, 16. I literally have a 101 and a $238 target. Like, I don't even know how to explain that to you, right? But it's just all due to this. It's all due to this initial thing that's happening right now on this thing right now. This is insane. Okay, so look, you just got that 43 bar measure here, right? From this iteration here. Look at this one here, measuring it from that bottom side. Check it out. 43 bars exactly before it popped off again, and that was the 800% pump right here. We also have this is going to be a little difficult for me to actually just explain it to you and re-explain it to you, but I'm just going to voice it out loud real quick. These lines here, right, that neon green line, the white line here, those are actually drives of phantom hidden bullish divergence in the macro timeframes that are also very, very fucking confluent to the ones on the previous fractal. Guys, the amount of shit that's happening here is fucking insane. So now if we're able to identify, you know, an 800% pump on this area here, the wave 3, and this also has that 800% pump on that area there. So we can assume that this one thing is split into 2 of this one, which is making one whole one, right? So this will be phase 1 and phase 2, just in different times. It's one of them is a monthly time frame, and the other one's like a bi-weekly time frame. So split exactly in half. It's fucking insane. So when you do that, you have the 800% pump. That next you have a 7,265% pump, 69% pump on this exact 43 bars, right? So if we're measuring here from the 800%, 40 fucking 3 bars to continue into here, so then we would have to measure ourselves, you know, a massive 7,000% pump from that area there too, right? Since we're just massively confluent on all kinds of shit. So that would be a 7,000% jump from this point here all the way up to where? So here's where I'm coming up with a $37 fucking target, right? That's the craziest fucking shit right there. Okay, so, but I didn't want to just believe that just by measuring one thing and putting it over there. No, I needed further validity. So I did, I ran some Fibonacci retracements on it, right? So from the 800% top bound to the lower bound, I ran an inverse fib, and that's giving me the 2.618. I know it's hard to see right here, guys, but this I'm gonna move it to the right a little bit so that you can see. The 2.618 leading to 44 cents, right? Just look at where it landed. It landed at the 7,200%. So naturally speaking, I'm going to put this same fib measuring at this 800% to see if it takes us to the 2.618, where I'm waiting for the 7,200% to meet. And guess fucking what? It does at $37, 7,269% at the geometric. I shat myself, bro. Okay, so that's already like something that kind of messed me up. I'm looking at, wow, so we have 3 independent, you know, phases here that are comprised of creating these 2 larger segments, and they're all timed exactly the same, and they're all moving exactly the same. Like fucking, it's behavior at its best, you know. It's us. It's really us. We're doing that because we're anticipating that shit. And it's breaking out to the moment on statistics, you know? And the thing is that I still have further targets. Like I told you guys, I have further targets leading literally into this 3.618. How am I doing that? Well, look at this. This 7,200% pump draws down to hold support at the midpoint of the 2.272, which means that we would make the run, right, to that area of fucking, what is it called, a 7,000% jump. This would draw down from $37 to the $19 zone, roughly around this area here, before it pumps another percentage to the upside, right? So it goes up to what? The 3.618 at $2.60, which it fucking went up perfectly there. We are literally right around that resistance there, which is why we're kind of resisting here. We're waiting to break out of this area here to make that upside. So that means that if we got 7,000% at the 2.618 and price action consolidated and continued to the 3.618, we would also do that. 2.618, 272 drawdown, 3.618, $238 valuation. And you're not gonna fucking believe this, but I just heard on CNBC last fucking night, an institutional person, I forgot who the fuck it was, and I can't believe I didn't prepare for the videos. He said he's expecting a $200 target for XRP due by 2025, end of 2025. I shat myself again, guys. I shat myself again. Oh my goodness, dude. And that's a catalyst-based thing, fundamentals-based thing. I ran this by fucking mathematics and geometrics and all kinds of fucking laboratory bullshit. You know what I mean? This guy wouldn't even understand that shit. So, so that's how I'm coming up with all of these targets, guys. And that's, I mean, aside from that, there's just so much other shit that's just leading towards that potential. It's just a pennant breakout, right? This is an upside pennant, and that's a bullish continuation formation leading up to a fucking top side all the way up there as well. If you're looking at this in an annual time frame, this is a bull flag, right? The bull flag leading towards a $100 target, fucking 6-month time frame. This is your fucking cup and handle right here. Shit, man. You know what I mean? And then you go back to your daily time frame, or go back, no, like to a weekly, right? To a weekly time frame. And then you have this weird thing happening here with triangles that is just like you can't help but to fucking just point them out, right? This is like your regression here, trendline regression, and you also have a potential of like this long-standing type of I want to say like a right angle triangle, but if I can meet it in some way, shape, or form, let me see if I can do it for you guys. Maybe in the monthly time, right? Oh, dude. Oh, sorry. It would be this. From the opening and closing bases at this point right here, right? And then using this here as I'm not using the historical chart on this. You know what? We could actually just use that instead. We would go to the, I need the complete history here in order for me to be able to tell what the fuck it's doing, right? So let's not do against USD. So let's just do crypto. There we go, like this. So there we go. Now we're getting the whole fucking history, right? So what I'm talking about here is this resistance here, right? There's that line. And we draw this like this. So now you have a fucking perfect ascending triangle. Shit, man, this is a bullish formation, man. So this motherfucker would break out of this area here, and the top side targets on this are massive. Fucking, you would measure the bottom side, right? This is one way to measure it, like this. This shit gives you a topside target of fucking $63, motherfucker. You know, you also have the center of the triangle to give you some bias here, right? 50% of the triangle, just measure with a trend line like this. This is typical like technical analysis, guys. This is like not really what I like to do. It just is, right? $15 target on that. These are all the targets that I was telling you that I had towards the upside. And when I was signaling, guys, entry for all of you at 50, we were sitting at 68 or 70 cents, and I said it would draw down to around 48, 58 cents. That area was here to pick up the bottom side of this regression and lift off. So that's why we were doing it, right? So now this would have been the true breakout target here, and this would take us, this target here, the one that we're on right now, this would take us to the fucking $10 target at the 3.618. So this is fucking ridiculous, man. It's just, all this shit is ridiculous. So much is rhyming here for XRP, guys, and it's just, I see it happening. And look at the motherfucker right now. Like, let's go to the 3 hour or even the hourly time frame and just look at what we were signaling. Guys, just yesterday's analysis that we put out as video, right? Remember, we were talking right here on a 15-minute time frame. We said likely this is about to break out from this channel. Topside target would lead towards this area here. We met that fucking topside target. We came back down. I said the next target would be right up here in at the 248 area, and look at where price is, 248.44. Now we just met the target from yesterday's analysis. Congratulations. We're dead ass on it. We're dead ass on the target now. From you guys can watch the video yesterday, guys. Just go and watch it and fucking see it. But this was my target with a psychological breakout point of 249.70. So we met, guys, we've been meeting these fucking targets on a daily fucking basis, like to the T, because of all these probabilities. They're insane. It's like almost easy to read because I like figured it out. You know, and here it goes. Watch this motherfucker reach the 249.70. Like, I can't, like, I don't even know what to tell you. It is happening, you know. And then you get these clowns on YouTube saying, "Oh, you know." I don't know what to say, bro. I just say, "Oh, are you sure?" Like, based on what did you backtest? You know, to tell me that that's invalid. Did you backtest your tongue, or what did you do? You know, so shit, man, we are here doing the fucking thing. CoinFox saying, LOL, we caught the midnight dump yesterday. We totally did. Media Junkie, metal horns in the air, dude. Smash the like button, says CoinFox, man. Thank you so much. Really appreciate everybody for coming on by. Philippe, what's up, man? Good to see you there too. And yeah, guys, so this so far, I mean, look, we're I mean, it's fucking going. Me and my analyst, right? He's here on my. See the screen right here? That's me on Discord right now. So Sebastian, he's the one that just told me about the Texas Bitcoin reserve, right? Which is fucking insane news, by the way. Him and I just said, like, dude, we should just fucking 20x lever ourselves into the upside on XRP and fucking FTM and shit, and let's fucking go. And he fucking did. He did like an hour ago and 2 hours ago in expectations of this breakout. There's so many different things happening here, guys. This is an inverse head and shoulders right here leading towards the 29.70, right? I'm sorry, 249.70. You also have an immediate short-term bull flag here. So this would be what the Arca bulls call as a bullish buy formation breakout, two different formations built into one that give you two different targets in a time, right? So the first target was right up here, right? And we met it, right? 247.80. We got up to that target, pulled back, continued to the upside, and now we're about to meet our second target at 249.70, guys. And you know, fuck it, man. We're doing our thing, guys. We're dancing, right? That's all it is, guys. And look at it. Oh shit. Oh my goodness, man. Don't fucking tease me like that, bro. Oh man. Agent Orange saying if XRP Ripple. If XRP rips that high, I wonder how high XLM will follow. So yeah, that's another thing, right? How that was pretty brilliant. Whatever was done there with the XLM chart, man. So yeah, why don't we just give it a fucking quick little whirl here and see what it's all about? Fucking XLM ticker. That one was super speculative like a couple years ago, by the way. But yeah, let's see what's up. Let's do it. What do you guys think? Let's do Stellar against the USD. Coinbase, I mean, that's a fucking that's tier 1 exchange right there. It'll probably give us. Do I have enough history on it? Yeah, I do have enough. Oh yeah, definitely so. This shit's trailing back all the way to. That's already 2020 there. That's okay. All right. So yeah, why don't we go ahead and take a look at that XLM ticker and see what's up. Let's see. Hold on just a sec, guys. Let's see. In class. Okay. Here we go. So XLM on a daily time frame. Let's get this EMA 21 out of the way and find out what's going on here. Oh, this formation is really curious, but is it moving like the way that XRP is moving right now? You know what, guys? We're going to run a correlation coefficient against XRP right now and find out if this is actually running on like deep correlation. It is running, right? So if this thing starts to break out of the, is XRP also breaking out? It's at 240. Yeah, 248. We spoke about the 248, 249 area, the 250 zone. That we have to break out of that in order for us to get to the threes, right? So if it is doing that, XLM's relative resistance would be right here at about 44.16, right? So as soon as we can break above that 44.16, we could definitely see some nice movements here. Let me go ahead and consolidate some of this so I can identify here the formation for you. Okay, let me just go ahead and say I'll text you. This is family texting. All right, so let's go ahead and do this, right? We definitely have an inverse head and shoulders here, and it also is, I mean, it could have been some type of a consolidation box, right? This is a chop box, as they say. So we could actually measure it measure it like this, right? And then just use the most relevant areas to find support, right? So this would already give you one target. I'm going to show you a few of them. There's an inverse head and shoulders here too, right? So there's several formations within this one thing that can give you psychological properties to identify a topside target, right? Measured moves is what they're called. So the upside target on this would be running towards a 44.3, about a 44.4 if you average it out, and that would put you at an overall resistance of, let's see, yep, that would be right about here, 44.29. 44.29 would be your range, and I would give you actually like this, okay, team, because it looks like it's pretty likely, maybe. I'm telling you that we're so close to breaking out, but I still feel that we need around another, 2, 3, 4 hours to get this thing to officially break it. So let me get that candle. This one right here, right? So that would be the 44.2-ish, and we would use this top bound here. I'll tell you why. So that's 44.4, right? So 44.4 on that top end. That puts your psychological target at precisely the 50% of that range. So that would be right around here, around the 44.35.95. So let's go ahead and put some of these receipts on here. Please don't be afraid to take some screenshots here, right, team? Just know that that's usually what I ask the team when we're trading in private. So this would be the topside resistance that we can face. Oh my goodness, this thing actually fucking broke it. My goodness. It really did break above that point. All right, so get this thing to move above these targets here, team, and that also continues. Did XRP just break like crazy? Shit, man. It's at 250 right now, man. That thing is fucking trying to do its dance right now. That's curious. All right, team. So yeah, look at this thing, 44.18, and it's pushing. It is thrusting hard, guys. This is actually really, really damn bullish. It's converting this resistance. Yeah, guys, this is literally what we were talking about. We need to break above this. It's breaking it. Likely continuing towards this target. Now let's get the second bound. We are going to take a neckline. It is a regression on that neckline, so let's kind of do it like this. For the inverse head and shoulders, it's going to be your shoulder, head, or you can have buy shoulders, right? Buy shoulders and head. It doesn't make it any fucking more valid or nothing. It just is what it is. So in that case, why don't we just go ahead and keep ourselves as tight as we can, right? So just about like this here. Look at guys, look at this. We're going towards the target that we spoke about, and I fucking love that we can do this live. This is how I trade with a team. We locate the upsides or locate the downsides, and fucking we do it live, right? We just watch it. We just watch that shit happen before our eyes. And the next upside target on this, I don't think it's done, guys. Okay, so the next upside target from that center bound, right? We take that trend line all the way to the bottom side to that head. This is the most basic type of way to put an analysis thread out, right? This topside target would be leading towards around 44.9, so getting super close to closing above the 45-cent range, right? So if we're looking left and we can identify the resistances everywhere, then this, it would be right here. You're looking at around 44.7. Let me see. 44.7, and I'll give you the same bound just like I did this one here. So let's do it. About that 44.7602. And we would use this area here to get our main resistance, right? Just like this here. And that puts our psychological take profit target right near the 50% as well, right? So yeah, I think that this would be some of the upper bounds to expect here. Look it, check it out, guys. We just met our first target and it's retracing from it, right? This is, it is because we're at resistance here, right? There's going to be a lot of head shaking there, but congratulations if you did take advantage of that play right now. We just got that fucking target live. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at how the candle's reacting towards our fucking resistance. I'm not joking here. We fucking are nailing targets by the, but this is what I mean. I want to teach you how to do the most basic way first. This is my first, guys, this is my first 2-3 weeks of my master's course. This, what I'm doing here. The later things, you have no idea. I'm going to make fucking massive Iron Man out of all of you, right? So I'm going to create a fucking big ass army of fucking elite traders here, man. So anyway, yeah. So let me put the receipts down for the other one so you guys can get your screenshots here, okay, team? So there you go. This is what we're looking at for the upper bounds based on this very, very simple analysis thread on formation and psychological targets, right? Formation analysis here, guys, it really is like the bottom of the barrel. You can figure out things with some probabilities here. The reason why I'm considering it is because I'm using a 10-minute time frame, but throughout the span of like days of the 10-minute time frame, right? That's the only reason why I'm okay with it. I'm not using a 10-minute time frame for a 1-minute formation. The more micro your formations in the tinier time frames, like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, that starts to deviate. There's a lot of grain distortion. Check it out, guys. Look at price action here, reaching our top bound target and resisting like a motherfucker. Look at that, boy. All right, so now, guys, that is official. We just got our upper bound target from the channel itself, and we're sitting right at that resistance right now, right? This was our first one at the 50%, 44,395 or 44,359, whatever that is, right? So congratulations, target number 2 met. Now the next target we got to beat over here would be the 44,438. So as soon as we can get that broken, guys, let me see what's coming up. We need to take a look at when we are as well, right? So we're going to hit a 15-minute close in about 1 minute. So that, guys, look at this, look at this, look at this. Fucking badass. We just got the next target. Fuck yeah. We fucking nailed that upside target there, team. All right, next one to fucking worry about, team, but it may be a little difficult for us to get there, right? We're experiencing now 41 seconds to close the 15-minute time frame, and this is likely to bring price action back around to the areas of around 44,276, maybe even to its 50%, where it could be around 44,19, around this area here for a bounce and continuation. Careful, new time frames, new closures, that all introduces some crazy ass fucking pullback, okay? Take a look at fucking XRP reaching our targets as well. Guys, don't make me fucking look at this motherfucker go. Look at that shit go, man. This is why the fucking title of this video is called Crypto Breakout. Because we're fucking breaking out, man. Yeah. All right, guys. Very, 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 very cool stuff right here, team. I love that we were able to get this shit to get this shit going live, right? This is the best way to do it, man. This is the best way to do it, guys. I promise you, when I tell you guys, I'm not shilling anything when I fucking say I want to teach you how to trade, right? I want to teach you how to make this shit fucking happen. I wouldn't have come on live. This is why I said that it's rare for me to come out on Friday night, guys. I did it because this is happening, and I have to make sure to tell the team, you know what, guys, this shit is about to break out. Get long your fucking pants off and let's fucking get the upside on this thing, right? Upside targets can lead continuation here, guys. We have some resistance coming up at 252 to around 250, 298, 253, right? But that is not the end of this price action on XRP, guys. I'm thinking that this major breakout here, guys, is going to be zigzagging here until we fucking wake up in the morning here, 262 to maybe around the areas of around 265. Okay, guys, that's what I'm expecting here. I do think that this has that kind of pressure towards continuation. First of all, I love to see this kind of volatility pump, right, and this kind of curvature, because that's telling us that shit, we're already overextended. Look at this volatility explosion, right, with the upside bias. This is what we were just speaking about before we started the upside, guys. Man, I mean, watch the video that I put out fucking 2 hours ago or an hour ago, and you'll see that you're gonna start experiencing like, guys, this is about to fucking pop off. We're looking really good. This shit's gonna go. $3 targets, we're good, right? Slap that fucking like button. As yes, please go ahead and do that, right? So now saying been in XRP since it was 30 cents. This is just the beginning. It's still very undervalued. Just to be patient, guys. Buy and forget. Yeah, this is why I'm telling you guys that I have targets all the way up to fucking $238, man. But just be patient, right? Because the crypto markets are fucking incredibly volatile. It doesn't mean it's going to go straight to the moon there, guys. There's going to be a lot of fluctuations on this, right? So just be patient, right? If you are a believer over what XRP is doing in their fundamentals, it is good for you to just pick up your bag and just let it go, right? An investment strategy, this thing is, people are expecting this thing to replace the Swift system, all kinds of fucking shit, right? So very good stuff here indeed. We're at 252.40, and yeah, man, I hope that guy is watching right now, man, from YouTube. He was completely talking his shit to me. I'm like, what do you mean? He goes, it's going down. Don't you see it's going down? I'm like, we want it to go down, bro. We want it to go down so we can pick it up. We want to scoop the bottom and get it to the top, bro. Like, what do you mean? This is great. Okay, hourly time frame, volatility spiking above that 15%, within the 15% hour, right? This is really powerful. Look at the upside thrust on that, guys. I'm going to tell you this, man. I need for sure. Oh, thank you so much, Agent. That really means a lot, my brother. Thank you for sharing that word here. What I need here the most, guys, is the bi-hourly time frame leading into the 3-hour time frame, which is eventually going to lead to the most powerful one of them all, in my opinion. The one that's most powerful for me is the 4-hour volatility expansion with an upside bias on stochastic momentum. Why? Because once we have the 4-hour time frame, guys, that's going to lead towards another 4-hour time frame, which makes it a day. And it's going to lead towards another 4 and another 4. So you're now talking about 4 candles in a 4-hour time frame. 4 candles in a 4-hour time frame, that's a lot of upside. Check it out. Upside, gravitational point, breakout. This is what I was just asking for. This is very powerful, okay? This is likely leading, guys. So let's see. We have about the ATR is leading around 10 cents. 10 cents from the open of this 4-hour bar, which is going to be over in 10 hours. That puts us at an ATR top of 255. We already knew that. My algorithm was already telling us 255. Where did it stop? It stopped at around 253-ish, right? Good. So we still have a little bit more of upside to go even on this iteration here. So now, depending on where this one opens, right, the next 4-hour candle, let's just say it opens at 250. The next upside would be 260, right? And we just talked about in the morning, you may wake up to this thing passing 260, right? So this is why I'm saying the 4-hour time frame. Good stuff for that, guys. So I'm super excited that we were able to put out the video before this fucking breakout happened. I'm very excited that we were also able to kind of guide the upside here and see how look, guys, look at this. Come on, man. Like, what do I need to do here? You know, it's like I'm at your toes telling you, learn how to trade, guys. Like, I mean, originally I came in from crypto, right? But that's just because my son was dying. There was a lot of shit happening when he was a 2-year-old, right? I could only train right within the crypto space because it was in the wee hours of the night for me. So after that, I went straight into equities and I stayed into traditional markets, guys. But but look, guys, look. Oh my goodness, man. Somebody just asked me, how high can this go based on the upside of XRP? Well, fucking now you're knowing, right? Good fucking shit, man. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Guys, look at the price on this, man. It's fucking rip. Oh my goodness. There you go, team. There you go. So fucking now we're at a critical resistance, right? Remember that we were talking about breaking out of this zone here. We need to break out of the 45-cent zone, specifically at the 45.3, right? So 45.3 to 45 cents, 8-hour bar, 4-hour bar can maybe do it, right? A 4-hour candle closure clean outside of this area here could really lead towards a massive continuation here, guys, potentially into the 47-cent zone and even beyond, right? But yeah, XLM is due to make some pretty powerful moves from here, guys. This is a right angle triangle, right? Mathematical. It's got a hypotenuse on it, and this could potentially continue on to that rampage, guys. I do think that 53 cents is likely in line here. Okay, so just please be very mindful, right? When it is that you're trying to invest inside of the crypto markets, it becomes it's tough in there. Okay, guys, it's very tough in there. I just need you to be aware of that. Okay, guys, it's very dangerous out there too. All right, team. But I am my goodness, man, just fucking 253 on that. Let's go ahead and take a look at Link. Okay, so Link is actually not moving like the way that we're getting the upside on XRP and all that stuff, right? This guy just told me too, like, dude, you're way too focused on XRP, and I'm like, dude, that's because XRP is about to explode, right? Like, what do you mean? I look at Link, right? Link is a great asset too. I'm not saying that it's not going to do anything. I'm just saying that fucking XRP is breaking out. Dude, Mark Roach saying 11,500 subscribers. Congratulations, my brother. Thank you so much. Oh, dude, I really appreciate you. My little man, dude. My little man, he's doing okay, man. He's doing good. I got him in TK. He's doing okay, brother. Guys, you know what? Whoa. We got a little bit of a twin sisters here. We got a damn this candle here, huge spinning top doji on that. It is retraced right now to the 50%. We did come up and try to test that high. Shit, let's see the immediate short term, guys. This could face some downside for the immediate short. Okay, 30-minute time frame downside, hourly downside. It does have a little bit of repair for that upside in the bi-hourly time frame. Yeah, okay, so it feels like this thing is about to make a trek down to it's breaking out of this resistance here. Look. What the heck? Why are we on AMC, brother? Oh, right, I'm using the shorter keyboard. Oh, my goodness. There we go. So yeah, we're breaking out of this resistance area here, guys. This is likely the validation process, right? We need to make sure that we can stay our butts above this zone here until we can get a clean close above it. So this is what I was talking about for XRP, right? Getting ourselves some clean closures above this zone, above this resistance, in order for us to get the continuation bias. And it is kind of printing a little bit of a bearish formation. This indicates a potential, head and shoulders, which measured it would take price action down to about I would say maybe 23.7 on this, right? But it would be temporary on this, guys, because this is actually performing an even larger bullish formation, right? And this is actually telling you that there could be massive continuation on Link. So we have a confluent trend line regression, right? And we can measure this to give us that upside probability. So just like the fucking way we figured it out, right? To measure that trend line, and then take the center of the head, right, from that neckline to the head, and then you apply it to the top of your right hand shoulder. In this case, it would be right about here. Link could be making a move here to around 43.44, which is leading it towards, is it really an all-time? No, it's not an all-time high. Okay, so it does have price action towards those local high, towards 2021 highs, right? This was May of 2021. I can see the resistance levels coming up on this, and they are critical. Okay, they're very critical. So number one, we would have to worry about breaking above this zone here. That would be 36,248 to around 38,273. This type of resistance here would likely bring price action down to this area right in here, very concentrated around this zone, which is near the resistance where we are at now. So $30 would be that psychological level, right? Back test that $30 zone as a psychological zone, clean closes above it, continuation towards the upside to where I think that we're going to be testing the Link all-time highs here at around 52 cents. Okay, guys, Dogecoin does feel like it's getting a little bit of a push towards the upside too. We're getting some influence outside of this bull flag on the 12-hour time frame. This is a measured move as well, guys. So measuring that Dogecoin top could be just like this, right? Take into consideration the top of your flag to the bottom of the flag here, and then this would just simply be put on top of your flag like this, and you get a topside target of around 45 cents. Those targets of 45 cents are not they're not rare to the Dogecoin asset. In fact, that would be your minimal target here for a resistance range, right? So this resistance range is located between that 45 and about I would say just a little shorter than that, right? Sorry, team, just like this, right about here. I would even actually argue that it would be here. So I would do top bound of about 47.59 to about 45.257. Make sure to always mind that 50% of your range. Okay, guys, if you don't mind that 50%, then that's you get here a very, very, very huge disadvantage in your analytics. Okay, team. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the receipts on this for you so that you know where this is going. Right, very, very good stuff. Right now, guys, this is the center point of this entire chop range where we are right now. Right, so the way that you can kind of tell that is just simply by taking some type of fucking measurement. Right, so if you did like if you did something like this, right, you just measure that top bound to a local area where price action is kind of resisting, right? Like here, like support, right? And this area here, resistance on these two. Look at where price action is. This is right here at 49.52, and look at where the wick is. It's right at the 50% of this range. So we are naturally going to have some resistance at its fair value, right? So this is literally right at the 50% of this massive, I would say it's like a monthly spinning top doji or some shit, man. There it is, right? Here's your monthly time frame, and that's how we can tell that we're on a spinning top doji, right? So this is your indecision candle on a monthly time frame. That's simply telling us that we're at a make or break, right, for this thing. And we're looking at it from tiny time frames, right? And then we just scooch on over, and then we're able to tell where we are. So here we go, guys. So as soon as we can break above this 50% range, yeah, EMA 21 above the 12-hour, it could lead towards some price action. Break above that 42,363, guys. That would take you to 43.7, 43.8. Pull back to that 42.3. Continuation into the 45s and even into the 47s, likely by tomorrow, team. Let's make sure that we can practice some risk management on this, team. Okay, do not enter what you're not willing to lose, right? So please keep your butts safe, especially within the crypto spaces, okay, you guys? But that actually marks off the completion of all of the analysis that we actually said to come out and put together for us. But very exciting here for the XRP asset and XLM assets alike, right, guys? So you know what? And I think that this would be for now, right? It's just for now. I think the move is likely just gonna chill out here for now, and then we'll do the thing, guys. So you wanted to know how high it can go? Well, this is how high it went, and look at where we are now, right? So this is the way we do it, guys. This is the way we do it. Mathematical based solutions here, and just institutional practice, right, guys? Let's do it the way the fucking market makers do it, guys, based on fucking data, right? That's the way we do it. So I love it. We were able to perform this shit live and just fucking literally take profit and fucking let it do its damn thing. Good job, guys. Fuck. Good job. Live trade fucking complete. Guys, make sure to sign up. Make sure to sign up to the ArcMasters course. Do it, guys. This is going to fucking help you guys be better traders, okay? I promise. I'm teaching the beginners here in 2 weeks. It's going to start ArcMastersCourse at Gmail, and I'm running right now, guys. I am running a snowflake event right now. So make sure to ask me about that as well, so I don't give you the fucking full price on that thing, right? So gmail.com. I am the instructor, guys. You will be exposed to me in private, and these are going to be these are 2 lectures that are going to be around 32 weeks long. Okay, guys. So for both of them, of course, right? 12 weeks each, maybe 34 of the 31, 30 weeks, right around there. Okay, guys. War G saying you nailed it, brother. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everybody and all of your support, team. Thank you so much. And please watch the video, right? If you can, the XRP video that I just put out. So if any questions or concerns, you know where to reach me, team. I appreciate everybody for coming out. Let's go ahead and just kind of close up here. Mark Roach, I love you. And thank you for supporting, by the way, brother. And I will catch you on the next one, right, guys? So please be safe out there, guys. Do not over lever anything you got out there, okay? So number one, I'm gonna just say this right now. Agent Orange, make sure to click that link that I just applied there, right? Make sure to click that link, and I want to see you there, okay? Now, another person here that I want to add, right? So let me just go ahead and who wants a free month, right? Let me just do that. Who wants a free month to trade alongside me and the team in the private Discord? Let me know, guys. Throw in A if you don't already have a membership. Let me know who wants a free month, or I'm just gonna assign it here real quick to a random person, right? Do you want to be that random person or not? Actually, you know what? I did say that I was gonna mention it, okay? So that makes me feel a little bit weird. I did say, okay, let's do this. Rody Life, make sure to hit that link right here, buddy. I got you, okay? And you too, B106 Adventures, hit that link, all right? We're gonna do 3 because we got the donation from the person for $20. That's amazing, man. You know? fuck it. You too, brother. Guys, anyone that saw this link right now, hit it. I'll give you a free month, right? You too. DP, Brody, I don't know how to, it's that Brody? Hit it, you too, man. B106, hit it. All right, guys, come on in. I'm going to give you a free month and you hang out with the team and we'll do our little dance. Okay, guys? But until then, I love you very much, team, and I wish you a very, very good night. Okay, be safe out there. Don't gamble shit. Okay. I'm afraid to leave here, man. You guys are gonna get insane. Win Lambos. We're almost there, man. We're almost there, right? All right, team. Adios, everyone. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Ever. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good rest of your night and or day, and I will catch you at the bell on Monday. Adios.